Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This was my ride to work today. I know I've got a tough job, don't I? I drove this 68 Camaro SS home last night. It was a blast. It's a 502 GM crate motor under the hood. This thing's been body off frame restored. Has lots of nice upgrades. Visit volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study a bunch of pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. So visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But now why don't you join me and let's go for a spin in this 68 Camaro. It has a subframe, so this body off the frame. The whole bottom of the car is all new metal. It's all clean, no rust at all. They painted it with a red bed liner, so it's really durable coating. It'll last forever. And then the subframe was powder coated up front. All the suspension is new. It was all completely dropped out of the car. The front end is all new, and I mean fresh looking. I mean painted. And they upgraded it with polyurethane bushings. The rear suspension, new springs, new bushings, new shocks. Has billet lowering blocks on the springs. So front and back suspension, steering, all new. The fuel system's been all replaced. The fuel lines, the tank, the straps, the sending unit. Brake system is new, and it's upgraded with disc at all four corners, has drilled and slotted rotors. I think they have red calipers, new brake lines. Really nice sounding exhaust system. I think they're Flowmasters, but you'll hear it towards the end of this video. All new exhaust. You look up at the motor, it still looks spotless. The freeze plugs aren't painted over. It has a chrome oil pan. It has a high torque starter, and it has the GM tag riveted right to the side of the block. You Google the number, and it is a 502 crate motor. It's a turbo 400 automatic trans. It also looks clean. All the components that are attached to it look new. It has a chrome pan. It has a polyurethane trans mount bushing. In back, it has a Curry Ford 9-inch rear end in the back, posi gears. I'm going to guess low 3s to mid 3s. I drove it home last night and you can cruise at 60 nicely. So underneath the car is actually really impressive. The body is super nice too. All clean, I mean straight. Arrow straight everywhere. It has full quarters. I was inside the trunk looking up, and they did it at the factory seam, so it's all metal, no rust. The doors are clean. Even down along here, it's slick, it's smooth, there's not a bubble, it fits very nicely. Even these SS stripes, you can't feel them at all. Obviously no vinyl top, so you got an all red car. It's got spoilers, got a cowl hood. The back glass and the windshield are new. The side glass is nice. I left this side rolled up so you can see it's nice and how well it fits. Back here, all the chrome is new, the cap, the tail lights, the bumper's been replaced. Fits real nice. The trim is also new around the windows, but like there's a little dimple and they're putting it on. Someone hit it a little too hard. All this trim on top of the doors and the gutters new. The mirrors, the handles, that's all new. The rocker trim is new. 15 by 8 wheels, they look wider in the back, so maybe 15.7s, 15.8s, but wider in the back. BF Goodrich tires. All the trim on the wheels are new. The emblems here are new. Up front, the bumper looks new. The grille is really nice. I don't know if it's brand new, but it looks really nice. And that's the 502 horsepower. Has the GM Performance aluminum heads, GM aluminum intake, a big giant Holley dual feed carb with electric choke, HEI ignition. It has long tube coated headers. The front of the motor is all March billet. It has billet brackets, billet pulleys with the serpentine belt. It has the March billet power steering system. So it has a remote reservoir, stainless steel braided lines, the power steering box, the coupler joint, that all looks new. Jambs are painted nicely. It's clean under the doors. The weather strip, window fuzzies were replaced. The interior is all redone. Trunk floor, rock solid. I told you they got full quarters, so nice clean metal, spatter painted. It's got a new mat, new weather strip. This is all painted nice gloss red. So they replaced the carpet. The center console's all new, and it does have the factory gauges in the console and also in the dash. It has the tachometer and the clock. It's all working. The clock even works. So new carpet, new upholstery, new side panels front and back, new armrest, new headliner, new visors, new mirror, all the trim around the back window. The package tray is all real nice. New deluxe wheel. The heater controls worked. I drove it home in the cold, in the dark last night, and all that was functioning really well. Chrome vents are nice and new. Has all the GM seat belts front and back. Getting back in here, it has a billet aluminum alternator. Looks like it's a one-wire alternator. Nice aluminum radiator with a custom-made shroud with a giant electric fan. It has a polished overflow bottle. It has power brakes. That looks like it's new. A new battery, new horns, new wiper motor. Painted up real nice, clean. So the motor compartment's nice. Now you'll hear it run in just a second here. I'll start it up right now. And there's two keys, and of course I grabbed the wrong key. Yeah, it's got a nice cam, retro stereo, it does work. Listed some of the specs that come with that engine. Got forged rods, aluminum piston, forged crankshaft. There you have it, pretty hot ticket right here. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my honest impression of the car, but there's plenty of ways on there to contact our salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. That's at volocars.com. They'll also help with the financing, delivery, all the paperwork. They do this every day so they can make it easy for you. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.